Eyes. We all have eyes. You cannot get offended because of eye jokes. Then you are not a visionary. Right? I have I have eyes because of which I used to wear spectacles. And I'm telling that I used to wear spectacles because I got rid of them. I did that LASIK surgery. And when you wear spectacles for the first time in your life, your worst enemies are your friends. They'll come and ask you stupid questions. Out, ah? And the stupidity will continue. They'll come, grab your glasses, run away and start testing you. Hey, how much is this? How much is this? And this much, you bloody Dr. Agarwal. Testing my eyes, give back my glass. And the worst thing is they'll give you nicknames, man. What is the weirdest nickname you ever heard? Soda Buddhi, Buddhi Kannad, 4 eyes. How? I still only have 2. Even Lord Shiva has only 3. There is no space for 4th one on my face. And the worst thing about wearing spectacles, man, every morning you have to wake up with so much confusion. The world around you is so blurred. The first thing you do after waking up is go and search for your spectacles. It will be spectacular. Ma, ye kannadiya paathiya? I'm your father. That's when my mother will interrupt my father and say, you're talking to your daughter, your son is standing there. Because my father will be searching for his spectacles. Searching for spectacles is a spectacular family bonding activity that we do every morning. All other families, they bond over tea, coffee, but we as a family, we bond because we lack vitamin A. But life was fine, man. I started getting used to this habit of wearing spectacles until one day, this guy called James Cameron, he decided to screw it up. He came up with a movie called Avatar. And Avatar is not a normal movie, it's a bloody 3D movie. I did not know that. I went to the theater, the guy at the theater gives me another glass. I start judging him. Dude, who is blind here? I have my own set of spectacles, specially designed by experts at Vasan Eye Care. And he said, sir, for better visual experience, you have to wear this 3D glass over your spectacles. So I got the 3D glass, wore it over my spectacles. My bloody friend, he was standing behind me in the queue. He pops out of nowhere and says, now you are 4 eyes, no. He took his revenge after 10 years. I thought this is not going to work. I need to get rid of my spectacles. So I went to the doctor. The doctor tested my eyes and says, Manoj, you have power. What power, doctor? Nothing is coming out. I can't see anything. Exactly. That is why you are here. Come, I'll test you. The doctor said, I'll put some drops. Tell me how it feels, whether it is irritating or cold. So I was sitting in the chair like this. The doctor puts the drops. Manoj, how is it feeling? Is it irritating? Is it cold? What is your feeling? Doctor, it is salty. What happened? You put in my mouth. Sorry, Manoj, I forgot my specs. Right? Manoj, this is ear drops. I'm so sorry. But in spite of all this confusion, he somehow convinced me for the surgery and he said, it will cost me 45,000 rupees. So I paid 20,000 as advance, 25,000 later, and I enter the operation theatre. And you must listen to the doctors when they are operating you. They will discuss about everything except the surgery. Yeah, I was lying like this in the bed. The doctor was operating me. He was casually discussing Chennai traffic. And nowadays, Chennai is having a lot of traffic, right? Put some drops. There are a lot of potholes these days. You are half asleep, still your brain is smart enough to capture those keywords. The moment I heard the word hole, I woke up, doctor. Where is the hole? What is happening? Is everything all right? The doctor got alerted. Hey, he woke up, put him back to sleep, put him back to sleep. I went back to sleep, doctor. And these doctors are so motivating and encouraging when they are operating you. All these motivational pep talks, TED talks, they will give, oh, come on, Manoj, come on, you're doing good, come on. Doctor, I'm not in the labor ward. I'm not here to deliver a baby. No, Manoj, you're cooperating well. Because I don't have an option. You think I can take half time and run away in between this? 15 minutes later, the doctor said, congratulations, Manoj, your right eye is done. Thank you, doctor. Now what is the balance? My left eye. No, da, 25,000 rupees, when are you going to pay? Finally, the surgery was done. The doctor said, bye Manoj, see you. Yeah, doctor, I too can see you clearly this time. Now where is James Cameron? When is Avatar Part 2 releasing? I am ready. The doctor calmed me down and said, don't worry Manoj, go home, take this eye drops. He prescribed me eye drops, okay? Costly, 10 ml, 300 rupees. I went home and told this to my father. Daddy, surgery is done, eye drops, 10 ml, 300 rupees. 10 ml, 300 rupees, 10 ml, 300 rupees. 10 ml, 300 rupees. Yeah, Daddy, 10 ml, 300 rupees. 10 ml, 300 rupees, Hello, doctor, you still have the ear drops with you. Looks like my father wants one. And for 1 week I was blindfolded. The doctors advised me not to see light.